Hey everyone, back to Albert.Photoshop. I'm Albert, and I'm here to help you unlock your creativity with Photoshop. In today's video, we're tackling a fun topic: how to add a glowing effect without using oniric. So grab your mouse, open up Photoshop, and let's get started on creating some stunning visuals together. First, make a black solid color layer and set the opacity to 65%. Then find the glow source from where the glowing effect will start. By the way, this picture is drawn by Nicholas. I decided to start glow from the eyes. I picked blue color for this art, but you can use other variety of colors. After that, I set the blue solid color layer style to screen mode. To make the eyes brighter again, I picked the blue color and set the blending mode to color dodge. To make the eyes even brighter, I used an exposure layer. To make the glowing effect even better, I used another blue solid color and set the bending mode to linear dodge add, making the size of the brush bigger in size and setting the brush flow low, and then paint it over the eyes. To glow the hairband, I used the orange color. One reminder, do not use more than 2 different colors for glow art. For making the highlights, I used a solid blue color layer, set the blending mode to color dodge, and started painting over the character.